even after all these penalties, despite these cases, Municipal Corporation of Gurgaon ये क्यों नहीं कर पा रहे हैं? Why are they not able to solve this problem? Do they not
I think
see it as a
there is a
problem?
lack of political will.
Okay.
100% lack of political will. Even if the bureaucrat wants to do it, there is no political will to do it. I think that for some reason they don't want this sorted. For some reason, I don't know why. We have Vipul Goyal, who's the urban local bodies minister. He lives in Faridabad. फरीदाबाद का कूड़ा भी तो यहीं आता है. एनजीटी में इस बार उन्होंने ये भी बोला कि only MCG has submitted a plan. What about MCF? What does MCF do? Because MCF is also sending 1,000 tons to Banwadi every day.
Right.
So MCF is not nowhere in the picture. No plan submitted, and Vipul Goyal doesn't know this.
Right.
He knows it 100%. And the forest minister Rao Narveer lives in Gurgaon. We went to him this summer. Banwadi was burning for 1 month.
Right.
In the month of April, there was continuous fire in Banwadi because of methane generation and the high temperatures and all that.
Yeah.
So we went to the forest minister, Mr. Rao Narveer, and we told him, sir, Banwadi में आग लगी हुई है, बहुत बुरे हाल है, wildlife, everything, like, मतलब just think about the wildlife, and the fire reached the village also. It is all up there. You can just go and Google and find that. So Narveer जी बोलते हैं कि ओह बनवाड़ी में आग लगी है, मुझे तो पता ही नहीं था. And there were 2 more people with me there, and he said this in front of us. So we said, okay, maybe we've come to the wrong place.